Good morning, students. Chapter number 17, Construction of Quadrilateral. Now today we will discuss question number 4. 1 and 3 we have discussed. We are discussing each type of question given in your exercise. Now question number 4. You have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD if BD equal to 8 centimeter, BC equal to DC 5 centimeter, AB equal to AD 4.5 centimeter. Now look here, they have given you all the four sides of a quadrilateral. BC, DC, AB, AD. These are the four sides of a quadrilateral and one diagonal they have given. Getting my point? They have given you four sides of a quadrilateral and one diagonal. These things are given in the question and you have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Now first of all, I have taken BC equal to 5 centimeter. You will draw BC equal to 5 centimeter with the help of the scale. Keep the scale like this and draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. Then from this tip, measure this as 4.5 centimeter. With the help of the scale, measure 4.5 centimeter and with the B as center, cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter like this. Similarly, with C as center, take this arc length as 5 centimeter with the help of the scale. Then put the tip of the compass here and take C as center and cut an arc of 5 centimeter like this. Cut an arc of 5 centimeter. What you have to do? You have to draw BC equal to 5 centimeter. Then after that with B as center, and you have to take the arc length of this compass as 4.5 centimeter and cut an arc. Similarly, from this C point, take an arc length of 5 centimeter like this and cut an arc from this center. Here you will cut. After that with B as center, take the measurement equal to 8 centimeter like this. Take the measurement equal to 8 centimeter and cut an arc. From this, put the tip of the compass here and cut an arc. Cut an arc like this of 8 centimeter. These two will intersect here. Getting my point? So just join this. First of all, you have to join this. Now from this, or you can take from here also or from here also. We have taken as from here, take 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter, take it and cut an arc. These two arc will intersect from here, join it. Getting my point? Very easy question is this. First draw BC equal to 5 centimeter, then with B as center cut 4.5 centimeter, then with C as center cut 5 centimeter, again with B as centimeter cut 8 centimeter. These two arcs will intersect here, then join this line. From this point, cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. This will cut this arc here, then join this line and this line. ABCD is a required quadrilateral. Now come to the next question. Question 5. You have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which three sides are equal and two angles they have given. They have given you three sides equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD 5 centimeter they have given you in the question, and two angles they have given BC. So we will take BC as a base. दो एंगल आपको 90 120 दे रखा है, so we will take BC as a base. These five things are given in the question. You have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD. First of all, I have drawn BC equal to 5 centimeter. With the help of the scale, draw BC equal to 5 centimeter. Then you have to construct angle B here. For angle B, first you have to draw a semicircle. Then without disturbing the compass, draw 60 degree. Then 120 degree. Then between 120 and 60, draw this 90 degree. This 90 degree we have constructed. Similarly, at point B, you have to construct 120 degree. Put the tip of the compass here, draw a semicircle. And from this point, cut in first arc. Without disturbing the compass, cut another arc. This another arc is 120 degree. Then again, draw a line. You don't know the length, just draw the line. Then after that, AB is given 5 centimeter. Then put the tip of the compass here, measure the arc length equal to 5 centimeter and cut an arc like this. Similarly with C as center, just measure the 5 centimeter length and cut an arc like this. Then after that join this line AD. ABCD हमेशा साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में रहेगा. ABCD like this. So AB is 5 centimeter they have given, CD they have given 5 centimeter, BC as 5 centimeter and these two angles. ABCD is a required quadrilateral. Now next question. Question number 7. You have to construct a angle, construct a quadrilateral ABCD. One side is, two sides are given and 3 angles are given. Again not a difficult question. They have given 2 sides. And how many angles they have given? 1, 2, 3, 2 sides and 3 angles they have given. BC equal to 6 centimeter, angle B, angle C, angle D and CD equal to 4 centimeter. You have to draw quadrilateral ABCD. First of all angle B and angle C is given. You can take BC as the base. CD भी आप बेस ले सकते हैं, ये आपके ऊपर है, कोई भी बेस लीजिए, हमने BC लिया है. ठीक है. I have drawn BC equal to 6 centimeter. ठीक. Now angle B is 90 degree. With the help of the scale we have drawn BC equal to 6 centimeter. Then at B, at point B we have drawn a 90 degree. 90 degree सबको पता है कैसे बनाता है. You are in 8. I'm not going to tell you how to construct 90 degree. कई बार बता चुके हैं. Just draw a semicircle of any arc length, any radius. Just draw a semicircle. Then without disturbing the compass, first draw 60 degree. Then after that 120 degree. Between 60 and 120 draw 90 degree. And just draw the line without any measurement. You don't know the measurement right now. Then at this point angle C you have to draw 45 degree. Very easy. First draw a semicircle. Then after that draw without disturbing the compass, construct 60 degree. Then 60 degree का half of 30 degree बना लीजिए. After 60 degree just cut an arc from this point and then after that from this point. These two arcs will intersect at this point. This is a 30 degree. No, this is 45 degree. First you have to draw. Now here you will draw a semicircle of any radius. Then without disturbing the compass you will draw 60 degree. Then between 60 and 0 degree you will draw 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Dotted is 30 degree. Then between 30 and 60 you will draw 45 degree. 30 और 60 के बीच में आपका 45 डिग्री बनेगा. Between 30 and 60 you will draw 45 degree. Just extend this line. Now they have given CD as 4 centimeter. So put the tip of the compass here and cut an arc of 4 centimeter here. Here we have cut 4 centimeter. Till here it is 4 centimeter. ठीक है. Now you at this point angle D is 120 ना. So you have to draw 120 degree. तो आप समझ लीजिए ये आपकी एक straight line थी. आपने यहाँ पे टिप ऑफ द कंपास को रखा है. यहाँ पे आपने टिप ऑफ द कंपास को रखा है एंड जस्ट ड्रॉ द आर्क लाइक दिस, सेमी सर्कल लाइक दिस. देन फ्रॉम हेयर पॉइंट ड्रॉ 60 डिग्री. देन फ्रॉम हेयर ड्रॉ 120 डिग्री. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ 120 डिग्री. तो समझ लीजिए ये आपकी स्ट्रेट लाइन थी. आपने इस पॉइंट से एक सेमी सर्कल ड्रॉ किया है, फिर आपने कंपास को डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया, ये आपका 60 हो गया, फिर आपका ये आपका 120 हो गया. सो दिस इज़ 120. जस्ट जॉइन दिस लाइन. आपको 120 से इस लाइन को पास करना है. जॉइन AD. ABCD इज द रिक्वायर्ड क्वाड्रिलेटरल. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर, लास्ट क्वेश्चन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. And remaining questions you will do on your own. Each type of question I have explained you here in exercise 17. Now look here. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD such that BC equal to 5 cm, CD equal to 3 cm, angle B, angle C, angle D. 3 angles they have given and 2 sides they have given. This question is same as question number 7. Angle B is 120, angle C is 60, angle D is 120 degree. In these two angles are equal and one is different. Now these things are given in the question. You have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD. First of all, I have taken BC as 5 cm. Then after that I will construct these two angles. And 60 and 120 degree is easy to construct. I have drawn a line segment BC equal to 5 cm. At B point I have drawn 120 degree. First of all I have drawn a semicircle. Then without disturbing the compass I have drawn 60 degree. Then after that I have drawn 120 degree. At C we have to draw 60 degrees. 60 degrees is very easy to draw. I have drawn a semicircle. Then from here I have drawn the first arc. This is 60 degree. So just extend this line. And one measurement they have given CD equal to 3 centimeter. They have given CD equal to 3 centimeter. From this point just cut an arc like this. This is CD equal to 3 centimeter. This point is till 3 centimeter. Then take from this tip, draw a semicircle. You have to draw at point D, you have to draw 120 degree. Thus in the same way you will draw 120 degree. Put the tip of the compass here and draw a semicircle of any radius. It's up to you. इस पॉइंट पे टिप रखिए, यहाँ से पूरा पूरा सेमी सर्कल ड्रॉ कीजिए. फिर विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द कंपास पुट द टिप ऑफ द कंपास हेयर. देन विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द कंपास अगेन कट एन आर्क. दिस विल बी 120 डिग्री. Then you have to join the line from here. This is 3 centimeter. CD length is 3 centimeter. From here you have to draw a line. This is 120 degree. Then ABCD is a required quadrilateral. Now you have to do these questions in a geometry copy. On the Hindi side you will write this much, and the white page you will do this construction. Getting my point? This pen work you will do on the Hindi page, that 2-line page, and then on the white page you will construct this quadrilateral. Thank you class.